Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. This is Ebony Nails. Okay, so this one is from a company called Homost or Homost, I don't know. They asked me to do a review, so I was like, yeah, I never heard of y'all before, so I'll try it out. So right here I'm just taking out the colors, showing you guys what each color is. This is more of like a red. It's a pretty red. You see that? The red's like a tad bit darker what it's showing on camera. It's not showing you like the actual true colors. And this one is like more of like a hot pink. So the first one is 201. This one is 202, I believe. So pretty, ain't it, y'all? Look at that. So when I first got this, it was like super thick. I thought it was really bad. I'm gonna give it a bad review, but I talked to somebody on YouTube. I forgot her name, but she told me she used this product a lot, and that's number 203. It's more of like a pale pastel pink. But basically, I guess the temperature where I was at was off, so it made it kind of extra thick. And she also told me I could use gel polish thinner, because some of the colors were extra thick and some were just perfect. So the next color we got is number 204. This is like a pastel purple, you could say. You see how that one came out differently? It's more creamy than thick. And you see how big those bottles are, y'all? They're like, I think 12. And that's a pretty blue. It's like a pastel blue as well. This one is green. I believe this is the last one, number 206. Okay, so now I'm about to show you on my silicone hand what each color look like, and then after that I will do a design on my own nails for you guys to see. So we're gonna try number 201, is red. So for all my red nail lovers, I think this color is for you. It's one coat, y'all. It's so opaque. One coat and that's it. Oh, this red's so pretty. For Christmas or something. Okay, next we got the pink, 202. So this color is actually darker in person than what you see on the camera. I just wish it was actually picking it up. It's not doing no justice for me at all. It makes me so bad. It's so irritating when you see a color with your own eyes and then the camera just shows something completely different. But it's still cute though. It really is. Pink was a little thick on me for me, so it was kind of hard to put it on. And this is 203. So all my pink lovers, I know you guys will like this color too. Okay, next we have 204. This is like a pastel purple. I love this one so much. This one went on so smooth, y'all. It wasn't as thick as the other ones, so that's why the coat looks kind of, it's not as opaque as the other ones. So you need 2 coats with that one. And this one is 205. I took the other 2 off. I'm showing these last because these are more on the pastel side from this collection. And I hope I'm saying the name right. I don't know. Somebody out there, please help me. If you used this before, can you like put it in the comments like how it's pronunciated? I really appreciate it. Look at that blue, y'all. That's so pretty. So beautiful. So this is 206. It's the last color, y'all. Okay, this is a lovely green. So the last ones you see, this is like more of a springy time color collection combo thing, I think. But I still love it. I wear these colors regardless of the season. I don't care. Do I follow trends? No, I don't. Never. I do what I want to do. People follow my trends, even though they're years later. Okay, so that's the finished product. And this is to show you again without it being on my silicone hand. I want to show you guys this little thing. If you're on my Instagram, you know about this. When I took my band-aid off, my whole finger changed colors. Oh my gosh, I didn't know what happened. I was scared for a second. I thought I was seeing things. I thought it was the Twilight Zone. So I chose what numbers did I choose? Let's see. I chose 205 and 204. Those are the 2 colors I chose for my nails. So I sped up the video for you guys. Don't bore ya. So right here, I'm applying the blue, purple. So they're kind of similar. It's hard to tell. I think I'm doing the blue first, and my ring finger is going to be purple, and then on the other hand, it's mostly purple and the ring finger blue. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch the video and I'm done talking. So I forgot to mention there's a special surprise that's in the video. There's a coupon code, y'all, so it's in the video somewhere, but I'm not telling you. No siree. You gotta look for it yourself. Now I'm just applying the second coat. Okay, this part didn't get recorded. My camera turned off, so that was my nails that I finished on that one hand. And now I'm applying top coats. So I forgot to mention there's a special surprise that's in the video. There's a coupon code, y'all, so it's in the video somewhere, but I'm not telling you. No siree. You gotta look for it yourself. Now I'm just applying the second coat. Okay, so right here, I'm about to apply the foil. I was trying to make it look the same way as the other hand, but I kind of messed up a little bit, as you can see. This one has more foil on it, but hey, it is what it is. I like it. So basically, I was trying to make the ring finger on both different than the rest of the fingers. So with this is my non-dominant hand that I'm putting on right now, and basically all I really did was apply the foil to all my nails generously, and then for the ring finger on my dominant hand, I added a little bit of foil art, and for my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, I made the ring finger have more foil and the rest of the fingers have less foil. So I kind of switched it around on both nails. If I make sense, I think I made sense for you guys, right? I hope so. Okay, so these are the two colors I use, you guys, 204 and 205. Very pretty. They're very similar. So these are all the colors, you guys. You get 6 in each set. Not sure how many sets they got, but I think this is the only one, or they have a couple more. I could be wrong. So this is the finished product, y'all. I hope you enjoy. I had so much fun making these. I love how I have the rhinestones and where I placed them. And I wore these nails for like 3 weeks and did pretty good. On my Instagram story, I kind of kept you guys a little updated on what they were. And for some reason, I don't have the videos in my phone or the pictures. So I'm sorry, y'all, but if I find them, I'll let you know. I'll put them at the end. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you see my surprise in here. If you didn't, it was a 15% off coupon code. So yeah, if you didn't see it, I hope you did. Look for it. It's in the video. So take care, y'all. Love y'all. See you in my next video. Bye.